Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do keyword research with ahrefs. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open ahrefs and open this website. And then you simply need to scroll down to the bottom. And here you see keyword generator. Click on that option. So here you can see Google, Bing, YouTube, Amazon. So you select the platform for which you want to do keyword research. So I want to do for Google. So here I need to type my keyword. So I'm going to type how to go live on Instagram and click on find keywords. Click on verify you are a human. So click on find keywords again. So here you can see that. Here you can see the volume of the keywords, and here you can see the keyword difficulty. So here you can see that you can see different keywords here. So this is the process by which you can do keyword research with ahrefs. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.